am starting out this vlog in a rush. I am heading out to the salon to go braid down my hair, the cornrows that I always wear under my weave. I need to go braid it down because I washed my hair this morning, and I always prefer it braided down because it actually helps, you know, it's easier for me, especially when I'm sleeping, and just to get through the week. I don't have to, you know, do anything but just put on my wig and go. So let's go. I am running late. I think yeah, I'm 10 minutes late. I should have been there at 12 noon. It's already 10 minutes past. This is my outfit for the day. Is this top from Shein. I've had it for a while. It's very lightweight. It's great for summertime. And my jeans, it's from 9 West. This is a size small, and my slippers are the Old Navy slippers that I've had, that I bought recently for summertime. They are really comfortable and nice. I wear them quite a bit. They're just very nice. So I've been rocking them this summertime, and they have been perfect for me. That's my outfit for the day, and let's go get this hair braided and have a good time. Let's go.
Hello gorgeous, so we're here at Xtreme Off-Road to try out ATV riding.
Alright, so we're here to ride ATVs. I'm gonna get ready and put this on to cover my face so that I don't get dirt on it. I'm already wearing my outfit for the ride, and let's see how this goes. I'm very nervous. I've never done anything like this before, so I'm hoping it goes well. Let me get ready.
I don't know how muddy it's going to be, and I'm just keeping an open mind because I'm hoping this will be fun and interesting. We're supposed to ride around and go to a beach and then, you know, turn around and come back.
So this is supposed to protect my face. I'm gonna have some goggles on to cover my eyes, and I do have my makeup on because we're going to eat after this, so that's why I have my makeup on. Trying to kill two birds with one stone.
So I'm looking forward to it. So you all are coming along with me. Let's go explore and see what it feels like to ride around in an ATV. Oh my god, so we're here. I got my mask on and we're off riding around. It's quite bumpy. I can feel everything in my waist because these ATVs, they don't have any shock absorbers or anything. Like, it's real bumpy, but in a fun way, not like in a hurtful way. In a fun way, it's amazing. But the mud splashes, oh my god. If you are someone that doesn't like dirt or, you know, gets irritated by dirt, I don't think this is for you, because you will have mud splashing from any angle. When people drive past you, they're gonna splash, you know, just anything. I guess that's part of the fun in doing this. So I mean, it's amazing, it's interesting. I see a lot of people with different types of ATVs, four-wheelers, all kinds. There's just all kinds in this area. This is really an awesome, interesting experience, something different. So I would suggest, I mean, if you're someone who likes to explore, you can try it out and see if it's for you.
Oh my god, this is going amazing, but it's crazy. I'm having a good time though, but it's crazy.
Finally, it's dinner time at my favorite Thai restaurant, MaKiin Houston. This restaurant is amazing. I come here multiple times in the year because their food is so delicious, it's tasty. So anyways, tonight I'm getting the salmon, which I always get. I always do the salmon anytime I come here. So yeah, because it tastes amazing, and my drink is so refreshing. I really needed this drink after all that riding around in an ATV. So this is a very refreshing, interesting dinner that I really needed, and I'm so happy I'm enjoying this dinner. It is awesome, and I got this awesome dessert as well. Look at the display, look at how beautiful it is. It's some sort of coconut ice cream. It just tastes creamy and amazing. I just really needed this to end the day. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Would like to be friends with you. We're happy, gorgeous people, and we always welcome new subscribers. Also, follow me on all platforms: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Happy Gorgeous Life, Instagram, I am Happy Gorgeous Ada. So follow me on all platforms, and we look forward to having an awesome time. We always share good vibes here. All right, stay happy, stay gorgeous. Love ya.